So today we'll be looking at a strategy on making $100 daily on the trenches. So we're going to be focusing on only pump the fund creation. So you click on the filter, click on others to turn them off. I'm going to focus on pump the fund creation. So now what you are going to do here is to observe, because let's check the migration, because we need to check the migration of today. What is the price of migration? What is the price of migration? So the price of migration is about $63,000. So when a token reaches $63,000, it will migrate to pump dex. It will pump the fund platform and goes to the pump the pump desk for people to be able to trade it. So that is the meaning of migration. Once a token migrates, there's going to be a dip. There's going to be a dip that will create another entry. So this is the migration. You can see this is the migration. It migrated around this 63,000. Then it went up, went as high as 84,000 and went down to 55, then went up again to 86. So this will give you percentage. This will give you percentage return if you enter around the around 56,000. So I'll go to my calculator, because I created a calculator. I'm going to drop the link to this channel, so you can, if you want to use the calculator, there's a video on how to use it. So you can use it. Is free and offline. You don't need to own your data to use it. So now the entry was what? The entry was, let's say, around 56,000 market cap. Entry 56,000 market cap. 56,000. Then this exit will be around, let's say, put it at 81,000. So this will be 44% profit. So if we are trading with $50, 50,000, 81,000, that will give us $22 in profit. $22 in profit. So there's always this one's my bit foul give. So that's my grid. So if you want to, you have to wait for a dip. You wait for a dip to a certain level, then you can enter for like a 50%, 100%, 200% profit. So for you to know if this strategy is working, you have to be here to observe. Once you do, you observe. You are going to check, because there's a point that we dip to, a market cap that we dip to before they bounce up. Before they do something like 50%, 100%, 200%. There must be, because those that are bought here at this new pair finance shares, they want to say here. So we are trading a migrated token. So we are looking for entry here. So the people that bought at new pair and finance shares, they will sell once it gets migrated. So we are going to wait for a dip. But now what you are going to do is to look for, because over 200 token migrates every day. Out of 200 token, at least 50 will dip to a certain point before they go up. They'll dip to a certain point before they go up. So your task is to look for that certain point that will dip to before it goes up. Check what volume they reach. You have to check the volume. You have to check the orders and the transaction tax. This will help you identify a token that is going to do well. So you just need to be here and watch. First of all, you watch. So this calculator is free. I'll drop the link on the description. This calculator is free. You can be using this calculator, watching here what tokens are doing, and just be calculating. To know what profits you can make. And there's a video also on how to use this calculator. So this is it. It's just simple. I just need to watch what point are they going to dip to. What point are they going to dip to give you an entry to give you an entry that will give you like a 50%, 100% profit or 20% profit. Check at what point to their dip to before they'll give you like a 40%, 50%, 100% or 20% in return. So if you can, let's say, if you're just focusing on just that 40%, we should do that, which is you are trading $50 and you make $22. And so we just need to trade how many times? 22 times. So we just need to trade 5 times a day and we are going to make over $100. If you are trading with $50, if I trade with $50 to make 44%. So this is really possible every single day to make $100 every single day on the churches is very possible, very possible. And also, if you need a guidance, like you want to learn how to trade, you can join my class. The registration fee is $50, but I'll give a discount to everyone coming from YouTube. So I'll give a 50% discount if you're coming from YouTube. So all you just need to do, you are going to message me. You see my WhatsApp link on the description below. Just message me and type the word you want to register for the class, then reply with YouTube. So instead of paying $50 for the class, you are going to pay $25. So that is how to make. This is how to make $100 daily from the trenches. For me to show you my strategy on how I trade on the trenches and how I make money in the trenches. Let's get to 1,000 subscriber. We are just like 200 plus left. Let's get to 1,000 subscriber. I'm going to show you my strategy that I used to trade.